Hi, here's some explanations about basic heat transfer. Basically, we are saying that there are three modes of heat transfer. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. Usually, undergraduate students that I meet in my heat transfer class thinks in a simple way that conduction is heat transfer in the solid or between the solids, and the convection is heat transfer with the liquid. And radiation is, well, it's with the radiation like infrared. I'm not saying that's wrong. However, in order to clearly understand these three modes, let's think of a heat energy and the medium separately. In Wikipedia, it says that medium is the substance that carries a wave or disturbance, but I'll say more like energy from one location to another. In case of a sound wave moving from the singers to audiences, the medium through which the sound wave travels is the air in the room. The medium can be solids, liquids, or gas status, whatever mass that can be a carrier of energy. Let me explain the first mode, conduction. Conduction is heat transfer with the stationary medium like a solid. Simply, it could be considered to be a heat transfer in the solid, but if we could be more specific, heat is transferred, but the medium or material is not moving with the heat energy. For example, if the heat transfer is through the water, and if the water is not moving at all, it is conduction through liquid. However, even without the effort of driving the fluids with the force, there's always natural convection happening due to the density differences caused by the temperature gradient. And next one is convection. Convection is heat transfer with the moving fluid. Heat is transferred from or to the fluid, and then the fluid moves together with the heat, and we consider it to be convection. And next one is radiation. Radiation is heat transfer through electromagnetic radio waves like infrared radiation. And not like a conduction or a convection, it does not require any medium. Here's an interesting example. If we pour hot sands to the cold solid cube, basically the heat transfer is happening with the conduction between the cold solid cube and the hot sand particles in a small scale on the cube surface. However, overall, large heat transfer mode resembles to the convection since the sands behaves like a fluid flow around the solid cube. Hope this helps for a better understanding for each mode of heat transfer. Thank you.